So here's the difference between a 12% hydrogen peroxide and Borma Wachs' 2-part bleach on mahogany. This is the same wood with completely different results. If you're deciding which bleaching method is right for your next project, you need to ask yourself, what is your bleaching goal, and is your wood high in tannins? Choose hydrogen peroxide if you wish to have full control on the shift of color, or if you wish to only adjust the color tone slightly. For example, with color matching veneer. And check out my How to Bleach Wood with Hydrogen Peroxide instructional video. For dramatic shifts in color with minimal applications, I recommend reaching for the 2-part bleach, except for high tannin woods, such as oak and mahogany. Borma Wachs advises that the product can result in graying and in uneven bleaching, as seen in this piece of mahogany. Check out my video on how to bleach wood using a 2-part wood bleach. Here are 3 real results of these bleaches on wood. Here is mahogany. On the left, the 2-part bleach. In the middle, hydrogen peroxide on the left side with 15 applications, and on the right with 5 applications, and on the right side, the control board. Here is a piece of beech. On the left, it is the 2-part bleach. In the middle, the hydrogen peroxide, and on the right side, the controlled. Finally, walnut. Again, on the left side, the 2-part bleach. In the middle, the hydrogen peroxide, both 15 applications and 5 applications. And on the right side is the control board. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that subscribe and the bell so you don't miss future tests.